Light and shadow. Now, let us learn how to make light and shadow using brush strokes. Next, we are going to see the method of shading. Here, what we see is a picture of two flowers. In one, the petals have gaps between them, while in the second, the petals are close together. We have to paint these two types of petals in different ways. On getting the design, we have to decide on the color. If one color is used on the design, it will not look attractive. Hence, to make it attractive, we have to give it light and shade. For this, first we have to choose a suitable color for the given design of fabric. Taking that color, we have to mix white paint in it to get the light shade. Here, brown shade is being used. White paint has been used to get the lighter shade. We got a lighter shade by mixing the white paint with it. Then, the light shadow was painted to one half of the petals. After washing and cleaning the brush, apply the brown shade on the other half of the petals. Here, we have taken two colors on the palette, the lighter shade and its darker shade. Now both the colors are seen as two separate shades. Taking a washed and cleaned brush, blend both the colors well. By this method, if all the petals are made beautiful, we will be able to get a good design. Having painted a light shade in the center, a different color was painted. Now, the color in the center is seen apart. Once this is dry, use a darker color than brown to make an outline. The outline has to be darker than the color used in the design.